All right, in this video, what we're going to do is go through the custom view capability that's available in several of the InsightWorks pages, such as the order fulfillment worksheet and enhanced planning worksheet. Now, the reason that custom view capability exists is because some of these pages in Business Central are what we call worksheet pages, and Microsoft does not give you the ability to save those views like you would in a list view or anything else. So if I create filters and things like that, I can't save them to recall them. So what we've got is we've got the custom view capability that sort of fulfills that need and extends the capabilities quite a bit. Now, the way it works is if you've got predefined views, you can come in and select a view and apply it on here. And that's basically like choosing a set of filters and sort criteria to apply to the screen that we're looking at. To create a view, you've got a few different options. So the easiest way is if I come in here and the default in the order fulfillment worksheet is to sort by planned shipment date and to show all my orders and everything else. But let's say I wanted to sort by customer for whatever reason and maybe only show my released orders. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit the hotkey Alt F3 to filter on released orders and sorting by my customer, right? So that's a view I want to use on a regular basis. I want to only look at released orders, only look at the sell to customer. Now, if I want to use this as a reusable view, what I do is I come into Actions, Custom Views, Save View, and give it a new view. Let's say Released by Customer. All right, so that's a quick way to create that view. Now, when I go into Select View, that's going to be there. So you release by customer. You notice I've got a few existing views defined. And one of them is what I call All Data. And All Data is a way to sort of reset the view without manually going in and changing the sort order. So if I choose All Data, what it does is it resets it to clear all the filters and sort by the shipment date. Now, that's a quick and easy way to create a view. So if I come back in now, if I'm in the All Data, and I want to do release by customer, it goes back sorted by customer, and then the status is released. If I want to go back to all data, I can do that as well. Now, let's say I come in here, and we'll go back to released by customer, but I decided, you know what, I want to sort by the shipment date instead of the sell to customer. So I make that change. Now I'm sorting by the shipment date. And what I can now do is I can come in and say, edit the current view, or save this view again, right? So if I say save view, what it'll do is it'll say, do you want to override the existing view that's selected? Yes. And now every time I select that, it's going to be sorted by the planned shipment date. But what if I want to sort by the planned shipment date and the sell to customer? Well, Business Central doesn't really let you do that. Like if I try and sort by multiple fields simultaneously, like holding down the control key or the shift key, we can't sort by multiple fields simultaneously. So what I do is I'd come in here and do this edit view. And when I do an edit view, you'll see down here, we've got a list of fields that it's sorting by. And these are the default fields that are part of the primary key. So shipment date, and then it just automatically includes document type, document number. But I don't want those. What I want to do is I actually want to sort by planned shipment date and then by the customer number. So what I do is I just select the button there to choose the field I want to sort on. And I'm going to scroll down and find the sell to customer number, and I'm going to sort by that. And then sure, I'll leave it by document number. So if that customer has 2 sales orders and the same shipment date and everything, it'll sort by the sales order number. Hit OK, and we're good. And now you notice we're sorting by shipment date and sales order, and then of course the document number. So we've got multiple sort criteria that you can specify. Now, let's say I want to do even more than that. I want to come in and edit this, and I don't want to just do released. I want to come in and filter on additional fields. Well, I can add those in here. Let's say I want to filter on everything that's main. You wouldn't really need to do that because that's specified in the location code up there. But I can come in and now filter on all sorts of other criteria, right? Maybe I only want to see sales orders and not transfer orders or whatever. So I can come in and add additional filters in here, additional sorting criteria, and then of course I can come in and save that view, and away we go. Now, maybe actually I wanted to take this view and build on it. I want all this, but now I want to see open and released orders. So I'm just going to clear the filter on this field. So now I see open and released. We've got our same sort order. We've got, shipment date, then customer, then document number. And I want this, but I don't want to override my view that I had that was filtered down to released orders. So now if I come in and say save view, it says, do you want to override this? I say no, and I can give it a different name. I can just say sorted by date and customer. Let's do that. And now what I've got, if I go into the views, I've got my released by customer, sorted by date and customer, and I'm good to go. So it's as simple as that to create the views. Again, I'd normally create an all data view because it's a really quick and easy way to clear the data and revert back to sort of the original view. And then if I want to change it, I can come in and say, look at the next 3 days of information, or, look at, any of these other things, like just this particular customer's orders, those sorts of things. You can do all that, and it makes it very quick and easy to, adjust the view that you're looking at by simply using these actions in the custom views area. And this is, my all data where there's no filters, and we're sorting by the shipment date, type, and number, right? So that's my all data view. And we're good to go.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content, and remember to hit that bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video.